Windows 8.1, the operating system released by Microsoft in 2013, is officially ending support on January the 10th, which is in just a few days as of me recording this video. It's actually in just 3 days. So I thought we would commemorate Windows 8 by installing it in 2023 and seeing what it was like when you first got your hands on it. So let me just quickly select the ISO. Let's go find it. It doesn't show up on the recording for some reason, but I am currently finding the ISO file. Where is it? Now my computer wants to be real slow. Great. And you can see in the VirtualBox window there, no bootable medium found. So I need to go find my Windows 8 ISO. Not Windows 8.0. Windows 8.1 is what we're taking a look at today. Okay, ISOs. Let's see. I found it. Let's open it, and now we should be able to just hit machine and reset. Okay, and now it is looking a bit. I might have to adjust the tier in my recording software. Hold up a second. Okay, there we go. I think that looks about good. So now I'm going to switch to this window. And you can see here is the boot screen. Very similar to that of Windows 10. Hold up a second, let me just go there. Okay. And the setup says Windows 8. It's actually extremely similar. In fact, it's practically the same to that of Windows 10 setup. And also the very start of Windows 11. Okay, that should hopefully be that. English UK, it's the ISO that I found a single language. Okay, install now. Now what I am going to do is just like pause the recording and just cut it back to when it actually finishes installing. And we get to the setup. Okay, so the install just finished and we are now in the out-of-box experience, as it's called, or the first boot setup. So we can choose a color. I think I'll leave it on this default. It's like a violet, I think, kind of color. PC name, let's do Win 8 VM. I think that's good. Next. Okay, let's go customize. You're connected to a network. Do you want to find PC? I'm not even going to read that. Yes. Connecting to your network and applying settings. Okay. Okay, update to your PC and apps. Don't set up Windows Update because it's going to be extremely slow. Nah. Okay, that's fine. Okay. Next. No. Okay. Sounds good. Now I think it's gonna be the user account setup. Okay, yeah, next you'll set up your account. Okay, so it just got to the screen. Sign into your Microsoft account. Now, if you want to bypass this, you just hit create a new account. And then there should be an option to not use a Microsoft account, because I don't feel like using a Microsoft account now. There we go. Sign in without a Microsoft account. Create a local account. A username, let's do just VM. Let's not create a password, and finalizing your settings. Okay, I'll just speed up this bit because this bit is actually kind of nice. Okay, it's done, and we are here on the desktop. This is the default wallpaper. So let's go to the start menu and see what it's like. So here's the default layout. We have mail, calendar, and all these other apps. Let's see what else we have. We have alarms and actually quite a bit of stuff. Anyways, let's go tweak some stuff. Starting with the taskbar properties. This is how I normally have it set up. I normally have it set up on the top of the screen. I actually like it like that. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Navigation. And also there's the setting introduced with Windows 8.1. When I sign in or close all applications on the screen, go to the desktop instead of start. Because normally when you would like boot up your computer, it would go directly to the start screen, and people didn't really like the start screen because, well, it's an entire screen and it wasn't really clear how to get to the normal desktop, although the title is here. So I actually like the start screen. I think I can just get to all my stuff quickly, but if you prefer that, you can leave that on. It's actually on by default, but I like to turn that off. And show the apps view automatically when I go to start. So you can see right here it goes directly to the apps view instead of like this view here. It goes directly to the apps view. So let me just turn that off. Let's go to jump lists. I don't really use this thing. Oh, and also under navigation, I think it's in navigation. No, it's under taskbar, isn't it? No, it's somewhere. Might be on. No, where is it? I know there should be a thing like show Windows Store apps on the taskbar. I know there's a way to change that, but I don't know where it is. I feel like there was oh, there. How did I not see that? Show Windows Store apps on the taskbar. See if I turn that off now. Oh, the Windows Store doesn't disappear, but I think but with that turned on, you can pin mail, for example. You can pin the taskbar. There's the mail app. But I think if you turn that off, and it apply. No, I think it's only apps you download from the Windows Store. Or maybe I have to unlock the taskbar. No, it doesn't seem like it's working now. Anyways, enough of that. Let's change the wallpaper. Let's go to personalize. And here is some wallpapers we can choose. I'll just click here. What wallpapers do we have? I normally use this one on my main laptop, because on my laptop I actually run Windows 8. I like this one, but there's also some other ones like this. Also this one. I think this is the default wallpaper in some of the early Windows 10, like the early Windows 10 insider builds. I think this is the default wallpaper, although I'm not too sure. There's also this one. I kind of like that one. I think we should use this one. Save changes and the color. The default color. No screensaver. Let's take a look at some of the screensavers actually. So here is bubbles. Let's preview that one, and there's just bubbles floating across the screen. Okay. I'll just leave it at none, so I can actually show you guys the stuff. So let's go into some of the apps. Now, Internet Explorer, I don't know why. Oh, it actually is working, because I know sometimes when I install Windows 8, I think when I install it on my laptop, Windows 8.1, it wouldn't actually install the full screen Internet Explorer application. It just linked me to the desktop one, but it looks like it's working. Now, why does it always show the taskbar? I want to close out of Internet Explorer. Okay, let's go back to start and let's check out what else do we have. I know the camera won't work because there's no camera hooked up to the virtual machine, and also you probably know what that's like. It's a camera. Let's go down to apps and not the calendar. Let's do calculator. So we go in here And you can see when it actually loads the calculator. We have standard, so let's do 1 plus 1 is 2. I have a scientific calculator, so yeah, if you want that. And then there's a converter also, so it's converted to, let's say data, why not? Let's convert gigabytes to petabytes. Now let's go very cool. Let's go bits to petabytes. So 1 bit is yeah. Now I think we should go kilobytes. 1 terabyte is 0.977 of a petabyte. Let's go 1024. 1024 terabytes is 1 petabyte. Let's go megabytes to gigabytes, not terabits. Said gigabytes. You can see 1024 megabytes is 1 gigabyte. And I love how it shows here approximately equal to, I think that's 8 gigabits, 0.1 terabytes, and then that megabits shows like a million kilobits, or 1.46 CDs. I love how it just shows you how many CDs. So let's close out of that and let's open up Pin Tips. Why not? I'd assume this just gives you help. Start an apps, getting around basic actions, your account and files, settings, and what's new. And also a cool feature of Windows 8.1 that I actually kind of like, the charms bar. You can see search, share, start, devices. Devices is where you can get to your project menu if you have like a second monitor. Yeah, it can't project to another screen because it's a virtual machine, obviously. Let's go back to devices. Here's play, print. Let's go to settings here. Here's the power options, change PC settings, personalize. So let's just close out of that and let's maybe go to the settings app. PC settings. Okay, so let's go to update. Your PC is not configured to get updates. Yeah, because I didn't want that because it would be very slow. And also, Windows 8 is going to receive its final update when it ends support. So let's go on Internet Explorer and go get ourselves a different browser. Google.com/Chrome, if I can spell properly. Google Chrome download. Now also something, Google Chrome actually doesn't support Windows 8.1 anymore. So if we go to download Chrome, I think it will still try to download an older version. I probably will download an older version. Okay, I'm waiting. I don't know why, but I always have to click download manually for it to actually download, and now it's still not working. Yay! Get Chrome for your phone. Oh my, would they have little Chrome dinosaur there? I just want to download Chrome. Oh, there we go. Save as. Save it as Chrome setup in downloads. It's downloading. It should be done soon. Let's go to Chrome. Oh, not downloads. Downloads, Chrome setup. Okay, while that's installing, let's take a look at some other stuff. See, what do we have here? Let's actually maybe go to the Windows Store. I want to see, does this work? Oh, we don't have to see if it works because it still will work because today is not January 10th. Windows 8 is still supported for 3 days, as I said earlier in the video. 3 days left of support. Let's check on Chrome. Oh, user account controller, obviously. Okay, yes. Let me just close out of File Explorer. Let's go back to the store. And then there's just one dot. Okay, this is installing Google Chrome. I'll just leave the Windows Store to do its thing. Let's go to, let's see. Let's go to Paint. I'm kind of sad that Windows 8.1 didn't have like a full screen Paint application. Although I guess there was Fresh Paint in the Windows Store that you could get that was made by Microsoft. And yeah, the Windows Store still doesn't want to work. Okay, let's go to Paint and let's draw something. Okay, oh, not the paint bucket, I want the brushes. Draw. That is terrible. I'm terrible at drawing with a mouse. Let's try to draw hello. That was terrible. Hello world, if I can. Why can I not write today? That's supposed to be an R. L. That looks terrible. Let's try and fix that up a bit. Hello world. Close out of that. Don't save. Okay, R4 Chrome. Okay, it's still. Now the virtual machine is frozen. Okay, now it's being really slow. The store is still not working. I give up on the store. What I'm gonna do is go, yeah. Let's go to the sound recorder won't work because the virtual machine doesn't have the microphone linked up to it. See a control panel, Windows Defender, Windows Media Player, Windows Journal. I think that's like a journal program. Obviously. Why does it still show that the store is open even though I closed it? Okay, now it's not open. Okay, Google Chrome is still installing. And Windows Journal does. Okay, there we go. I think Windows Journal was first introduced with Windows XP Tablet Edition. Oh, and by the way, do you want to install the Journal Note Writer print driver? No, I don't want to. Oh, and by the way, the date is the 7th of January 2023. Right. Anyways, Windows Journal was first introduced with Windows XP Tablet Edition. I'll just like write some random stuff here because I can't write with a mouse. Actually, isn't it like a text tool? Is there a text thing? Probably not, because this is meant for like tablets. In fact, the entirety of Windows 8 was made for tablets, and Windows 8 was like a hybrid OS. The start screen was meant for like tablets with the big tiles and stuff, and then the desktop was for like keyboard and mouse. Okay, Google Chrome is actually finished, it looks like. That's nice. You have new applications that can open web pages. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so what I want to do is now let's check out more apps that we can, like open Chrome and maybe go to YouTube. There's the news, which doesn't work anymore. Let's see, we have maps, help and tips, health and fitness doesn't work anymore. Lots of this stuff doesn't work anymore. Let's go look at the alarm. Okay, there we go. Now it's loading. Oh, trying. Oh no, I think it is loaded. It's just there's no alarms. So we can set an alarm. Notifications will only show if the PC is awake. Yeah, the beats. We can run sound. Yeah, we can adjust the time. Rings. We can have it ring at 12 o'clock in the night if we want to. This is the hours. Let's ring it at 7:30. Wait, do you have? Yes, there is 24-hour format. Well, let's stick to 7:30 in the morning. That's good. I'm not gonna save that. Let's go to timer. We can add a timer. Well, let's see, how long do we want the timer to be? Just for test. Oh, that's minutes. Oh no, okay. Let's have it for 5 seconds. And there's no. Oh, I think we need. How do we add hours? How do I add? Oh, they have to use you have to use the minute wheel to add the hours because there's no hour slider. Great. Now I just need to spin this thing around in a circle forever. 4 minutes and 5 seconds. Go. 3, 2, 1. And notification. Dismiss. Let's delete that timer and go over to stopwatch. Start. Then lap. Stop. Reset. The stopwatch application. What do you want me to say? Let's go to Google Chrome. Wait for that to load up. Oh, and yeah, what I was saying earlier, to get future Google Chrome updates, you'll need Windows 10 or later. Yeah, even Google Chrome is not supporting Windows 8.1. Let's go to youtube.com. Come on, YouTube. This is a bit slow, so while it's loading that, the start button won't work. Okay, there we go. Just take a look at, don't know if OneNote will work without the Microsoft account linked. Now let's go to Notepad to write something in Notepad. Goodbye, Windows 8.1. Sad. Not happy face. Stupid. Sad face. You were very good and also well very fast on my laptop. Yeah, Windows 8 is very fast. And now the save dialog won't show up. Windows 8 on my laptop, like my HP Compaq 6720S, and still Windows 8 on it. You probably have seen already. But yeah, it's super fast. Goodbye.txt. Let's save that. Now let's go to Google Chrome. Okay, let's search. Well, I'll just go directly to it. /@ Oh, it's because it's the UK keyboard layout that the quotation mark and the @ symbol are swapped. So I'm Shift 2, which is normally the @ symbol, and now it's the quotation mark. That's annoying. So now I have to Shift and the quotation mark key for the @ symbol. Wipro OS. Okay, let's just wait for that to load. And also Chrome has this nice feature. You can install websites as applications, which is really nice. I think we should still go to the Windows Store to wrap up the video. Waiting. Let's go to a video. There's not going to be sound because I haven't hooked up the sound to this virtual machine, but here's my channel page. It's me. There's my latest short. Here's my latest video. And here's my other channel, my Minecraft channel. You should totally subscribe. And also subscribe to this channel. And now the thing is very slow. Don't tell me my VM is frozen. I think I might have to reset the thing and just reboot it. Okay, yeah, I'll just stop the video and just reboot. Okay, it's now booting back up and hopefully won't freeze again. Maybe we won't go on YouTube this time. So what I want to do to wrap up this video is go check out the Windows Store for maybe the final time that anyone has ever checked the Windows Store, because the Windows 8.1 store might close when Windows 8.1 ends support, so I think we should take a look at it. Okay, hopefully Windows will log us in. Yeah, this isn't working, but I think we'll browse the Windows Store on my actual laptop. I think that would be better, because then we can actually take a look at all the stuff. And maybe we can download some stuff from the Windows Store. Okay, I'll just insert the clip now of me browsing the Windows Store. Okay, so I've gone ahead and swapped over to my laptop here. Hopefully you can see. So let's explore the Windows Store. So here we have like featured apps. I'm actually surprised that this store exists, but okay. Here is a bunch of stuff. We have VLC for Windows Store, which I actually have. And let's see, Minion Rush, Farmville 2. Nice. Let's see, what else do we have? City building games, why not? Let's see what we have here. Is a bit slow. We have 5 things. Township is actually fun. I used to play this a bunch. It's actually kind of fun. Let's get out of that and let's go puzzle games. I love myself a good puzzle game. We have 3 puzzle games. Oh, great. Let's see what else is there. Let's go categories. Let's see. Games. I like games. Here we have top 3. New and rising. These stuff are not new. Chess Unlimited. Farmville 2 is just showing up everywhere. Let's see. What else do we have? Let's go back to categories and let's see. Tools, news and weather, social, music and video. Let's see what we have here. We're kind of just browsing the Windows Store. Wait, what updates do I have? It says there's 14 updates, which I highly doubt, because as of me recording this, I'm actually recording this a few days after I recorded the previous clip, so it's been there's about 1 day left of no updates available. It says right here, updates available 14. That is weird. See, we have TuneIn, Radio, Music Maker, Jam. Okay, let's see. Let's go back to category photo. What's on the photo? This thing is taking a while to load. HP scan and capture. That actually might be useful because this is an HP computer. Super photo. Okay, this might actually be handy, HP scan and capture, because this is an HP laptop. Now let's go to categories again, or why don't we check out the top charts? Top 3 games. Let's see what pops up. We have Minion Rush here once again. Cooking Fever. Let's see what else we have. Solitaire. Free Cell. Farmville again. How many times is Farmville gonna pop up in this video. Logo quiz game. Okay. Get once download on compatible Windows phones too. If only Windows phones still existed. Let's see. There's a bunch of logos. I mean, it's in the name, logo quiz game. Let's see what else we have. Mini golf club. Dominoes Deluxe. There's a bunch of Xbox games on here. Glossy Road. Oh my word. I don't know if you know Glossy Road is a classic mobile game. That install. I like Glossy Road. It's fun. Okay, this is how you download stuff. Yeah, you can see it installed and there's like the dots and tells you it's installing. So now if I go all apps, Glossy Road. Let's go back to the store. Okay, let's go back and continue scrolling. Let's see. Wait, I don't know if you know the classic Disney game. Where's My Water? But basically, Disney created this very fun game called Where's My Water that isn't on the Windows Store. Great. Although I actually like it. Let's see. Top 3 apps. We have an antivirus. Nice. Again, HP Scan and Capture. There's another antivirus program. News 24. Let's see. TuneIn Radio. WinZip for Windows 8. The video app that I don't know why it's here because it's pre-installed with Windows 8. Virtual Piano. Okay. Let's see what else we have. Evernote. Windows Alarms. Why is all of the pre-installed stuff here? Windows Alarms is literally comes with Windows 8. Don't know why we need that in the store. But I guess if you uninstall it, then you can reinstall it. Oh, FreshPaint. FreshPaint was basically a revamp of Microsoft Paint, created in, I think, in 2013 when Windows 8 came out, or Windows 8.1 rather. And I actually have it. I know this is on the Windows 10 store, so there's Netflix down there. Let's see, what else do we have? Keep on scrolling. Let's see, is there anything interesting? Here's a barcode generator. Windows reading list. Let's see, Flipboard. News app. Let's see, let's go further. Collections. What is under collections? Oh, it's like this. Racing games. Connect and collaborate. Remote desktop. Why is there only 6 apps here? Gameloft games. Art. Made by Microsoft. Let's see, there's 4 things made by Microsoft. Okay. Oh, what else is math? That's the built-in Windows calculator. It is literally why is all the pre-installed stuff on the store? Essential games. There's only 2 essential games. That's Farmville and Asphalt 8. Why do these collections have so little stuff in there? All apps. There's 12 apps. This is definitely not all of the. Why is video here twice? No, why is video here twice? No, seriously, why is video here twice? That makes no sense. And even here on the page, it's there twice. Your social network, there's only one app. Just one. Let's see. Not really much there. Let's go back to top charts. Let's go new and rising apps. I doubt any of these are gonna be new. Oh, here's a to-do list. Just simply called to-do. Okay. Let's see what else we have. Network speed test. Let's go back. And I use art with actually quite a, there's again only 6 things. Pixel Art Studio. It's a pixel art application. But let's check on that download. Oh look, Flossy Road is actually done downloading. Why does it say there's 2 new apps? Oh yeah, OBS Studio. Okay, let's go back. Let's go home. And I think that is gonna be the end of this video. Anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell button if you want to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Goodbye. And also goodbye to Windows 8.1.